How to find and see your channel achievements on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Twitch. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, then go down here, click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page right here. You will find many options, as you can see. Just click on channel and videos and it will take you here. Now click on insights, as you can see, and click on achievements. After you click on achievements right here, you will find your achievements, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.